Okay, so I was living my life, right? Minding my own business, looking for drum videos on YouTube. Then I saw a video about the groove. Oh my goodness. Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. So there's a common thing that people who play praises do. They change beats all the time. In one praises session, you can have as much as 7 beats, 52 beats, 125 beats, lots and lots of beats. But if you're the one drummer that knows only one beat. What? So in this lesson, we're going to figure out the groove that Francis Osei plays in this video. Then, how you can use it in your praises session so that you're not the only one drummer who is playing one beat throughout the whole praises session. And I'm going to give you an easy way to practice it. So the groove is in 3 parts and it uses independence.
Your beloved country is free forever.
So independence is when your hands and your feet are all doing different kinds of things at the same time. So your right hand could be playing this, then your left hand is playing this, then your foot is playing that. So putting all together, then it sounds like this.
Is free forever.
But seriously though, for the Francis Osei groove, the first thing you need to do is get the kick going. So you play quarter notes on the kick like this. Next thing you do is add in the hi-hat. And you know traditionally we play the hi-hat like this and the snare drum like that. But in this case you would flip it and play the hi-hat with your left hand instead of with your right. And I know that's going to be a little bit difficult because you have to turn things around in your mind to be able to play it with your left hand. And that can be a bit confusing. But we have to try new things, be spontaneous. Because of how the groove is, it will be much more difficult to play it with your right than to play it with your left. So this is actually the easiest way to play it. Next is the tricky part. You have to play something on the first thumb and the snare drum with the right hand, whilst your left hand is doing the thing and your kick foot is also doing the thing. So let's take it slowly. What you need to do on the snare drum is this. So instead of doing the whole pattern between the snare drum and the first thumb, we're just going to look at the snare drum. This is what you need to do on the snare drum. So if you join that with the kick, and when you put all that together with the hi-hat, I hope it makes sense. And this will need a lot of practice, so don't worry if you don't get it the first time. That was just a little bit of the snare pattern. This is the full snare pattern. So let's put everything together. And this is how you put everything together. First, you take your mouse button, you go to the bottom of this video and smash the like button. Smash it. Good. Now we can put everything together. So what we are going to do next is we'll play this with the metronome. Then we end up playing it with music. With the metronome, it's good, it sounds okay, but it's with music that you see how it really places and how it sits in the music. And it actually really sounds good. Let's do the metronome bit, then we go to the music. And now, with music. The link to download the music for practicing this is in the description. Check out my app, the Drum Shells Builder app. It helps you save patterns and ideas when you're not near drums. Then you can practice later. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell to be notified every single time there's a new video, and hit the like button. Oh, and follow me on Instagram at Jaystiqs on Instagram. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. This has been your boy Jaystiqs, and stick with it. Stick with it. Peace.